like in total maybe 600 bucks into this thing. I'll put a parts list somewhere around here. We've done a good bit of just maintenance to this thing. Runs like a scalping dog now. Oh yeah. Yeah, she runs great now. We did a lot of maintenance and crank seals and all kind of little touch and love. Got nickel and dime to death to get it running. But she runs. These are our little loops we've made here lately. Nothing too crazy. It's a nice little fun wood slap. But if you saw the first video we posted, this is going to my girlfriend Andy. We've been teaching her to ride, which is a little bit intimidating on the two-stroke, not gonna lie. If you've ever ridden, you know this is probably not the best thing to learn on. But this thing is damn fun to ride. I think we still got some minor carb adjustments to make on this, but nothing too crazy. I'd rather it be a little too much fuel than not enough, so we don't fucking grenade this thing. It likes to run though. Definitely likes to run. But now we're getting the second bike. So I'm kind of tied between a KTM or maybe even another Suzuki. Haven't really decided. So if you got any recommendations, go for it in the comments. We're definitely staying in the two-stroke pipe, so I'm not getting a four-stroke. I'm not paying for that kind of rebuild. Fun little bike to ride though. To be an 85, this thing rips. It carries like whoever it wants. Doesn't matter. You can get in the comments. You can say this thing's slow. It's just an 85. Go get on one and play on it, dude. These things are fun. If you can come across one for cheap, I highly recommend it. I have a blast on this thing. And this is a little small for me. I'm a little bit too tall, a little bit too long, but it's still fun. Yeah, I don't know. If you like watching, let me know what you want to see. Because once we get our second bike, we're going to make some track trips, maybe go to Monster Mountain. I heard there's a couple tracks not far from here, so... But yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I'm a little awkward. I don't know what you want to hear. Eventually we'll cut some more trails, and this will be a little more interesting to see the trails in general, but... For now, this is what we got. But we did get the GoPro. Put what it used to look like, and then what we got now, somewhere in here. Big difference. And then here's the parts list on what all we did. We got nickeled and dimed to death. Bunch of tiny parts. Everybody just boogered up little stuff. Maintenance got overlooked, didn't get done, yada yada. But now we got a good bike. You guys probably can't see it, but we're at 3.6 hours since we've done everything to it. So still barely been riding it. First kick. I still got a lot of learning to do. A lot. Fun little loop though. Too much brake. Nice, just little kind of woods loop. We'll get some more the more we go. We need more people to come riding so we have more labor in the fields out here. You know what I'm saying? Big brain activity. Little power wheelie. Need to get rid of that vine. Biggest thing, I need to know what kind of other bike we should get. Another two-stroke for sure, but I don't know what brand. I've had Yamahas. I had an old XR 250. This is the first Suzuki I've had. I don't really know. Give me some suggestions. What should we get? My wheelies are doo-doo. I'm eventually going to get better, but it's going to take a lot of practice. I don't really set aside a designated time for it, so... Oh, shit! Yeah, see, that's what I mean, novice. I'm not good, bruh. I'm out here learning. I just don't get, how do you not love a two-stroke? I've had four-strokes, but it's not the same kind of animal as a two-stroke. Cheaper maintenance, easier to do, sounds better, more fun to ride, lighter bike. What is there not to love? I don't get it.